Hello students, welcome to Mesology. This is my first ever video in chemistry. This is to support the students before their final examination. I have set a simple objective kind question paper comprising of 8 different questions which contains 5 subparts in each. So the total marks would be 8 into 5 is 40. Now, the first question that starts with is name the following. It consists of 5 different subparts numbered A to E. For each of these questions, you can supply your answer directly against the numbering from A with the answer, followed by B with the required answer, and so on. So you did not rewrite the sentences. Let's move on to question number 2. Here you have to define the following terms. In case of definition, you got to write entirely the knowledge you have about the terms. All those specific definitions that must carry the required terminology in chemistry. Then we move on to question number 3. Here you got to differentiate between the pairs. Against these pairs, certain points are highlighted and your differences must be very specific with respect to those points against the given pairs. Only then the differences become a scoring one. Like in the first case, it's anion and cation. You have to differentiate them based on the charges and examples for each of them. Similarly, the second one is physical and chemical changes. So you got to specify them with respect to the products that are formed. And you have C, D, and E as well. We move on to question number 4. Here, this question is what happens when. Then you have certain statements given to you, like a soda water bottle is opened. You got to critically define the sentence with respect to the changes that occur in terms of a chemical understanding. That will fetch you marks only when you give a idea about what changes are happening, if anything new is getting formed, if any new observation is processed, all that. Then question number 5 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. At the blank places, you got to put that appropriate word which are befitting to chemistry. You may not write the sentences once again. You may just supply the terminology with the highlighted, A, B, C, D against which you are giving the terms. So that is very essential. Otherwise, you will have to write the full sentences with the blank places highlighted or completely underlined. Then we have the next question, which is question number 6. And in this question number 6, you have matching where column A contains certain statements and column B has certain words or terms. You have to shuffle column B in order to bring the perfect term against the statement in column A so that they make the exact matching pairs. No change is allowed on column A. The next question is complete the table by identifying the lowercase alphabets. This is actually with the elements, their atomic number and their mass number. So when you have an idea about the atomic and the mass number, you can easily determine the values or the names against the alphabets that is provided to you to be determined from A to J. Then we have the last question coming for you, which is question number 8. This question number 8 is multiple choice question. Here, each question comes with 4 alternative choices, of which only one is the perfect answer. You got to write the above statement with the perfect choice taken out of the 4. You are not supposed to just denote the numbering, you are supposed to write the word along with it. Not 4, but only 1 against each of these questions which are given in question number 8. You would be given 40 minutes to solve these questions, and if you solve them within the correct time span, then you are definitely moving forward in a proper manner. I hope this video will help you in your preparation. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a like. You may share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you once again. Stay tuned for the answer sheet to be released soon and for updates from time to time in order to help you in your examination as well as in your preparations throughout the year. Thank you for watching.